NRA and Rick Santorum said about the March for Our Lives in a minute. Hi, Steve Bertrand. I'm talking with Andy Schmidt, Senior Vice President of Financial Planning at Financial Engines. Andy, my friend, welcome back.
Steve, how you been?
Great. It's great to talk to you again. Well, I got a lot to talk about, right? I mean, we are living in volatile times, it seems like. What do you make of all this?
Well, I mean, you put these episodes in context, right? It's been about 5 months since the market had a 2% correction. It's been about 15 months since the market had a 3% correction. I mean, you got to go back like 19 or 20 months since the market had a 5% correction. So you look at the activity. I mean, 2017 was gangly here over the last couple of weeks, but you're supposed to get these types of drops, like 5% drops, 10% drops, even 15% drops anywhere between 1 and 5 times a year.
If you're worried that you might start dropping down the charts, what should someone do? I mean, what do you advise people to do if they're concerned these days?
Yeah, the first thing I tell them is, look, stay focused. Stay on track. Remember what your goals are. You go back to your plan. Don't do any of this panic buying or panic selling, because that's what's going to throw you off, long term. You don't want to necessarily focus on the next 30 minutes.